Welcome to the Market DNA Structural Framework Observation. The active asset for this record is copper. We are tracking the parameters for Cycle 2, Phase 4. The current system time is recorded as April 14, 2026 at 9:20 EST. This observation tracks a bounded price-time system resolving toward predefined geometric coordinates. This is the Phase 1 structural map. The calculated each trade size metric is precisely 0.28. Both trade sizes are calculated using the hypothetical capital, the investor's maximum allowed drawdown, the third triangle domain percentage, the risk coefficient, and the contract size. On March 10, 2026, at 8:15 EST, Phase 3 observes upward price action toward the predefined end coordinate. The path reaches the $5.94.15 apex prior to lower boundary contact. Half the position is released into the safety buffer, marking Phase 3 completion. In Phase 2, recorded April 8, 2026, at 9 a.m. EST, the chart reflects a delayed structural descent. The path reaches a 5.2441 low before ascending to touch the trapezoid lower boundary at exactly $5.75. This completes Phase 2 following the prior Phase 3 execution. On April 14, 2026, at 09:20 EST, the Phase 4 structure map shows a secondary interaction with the end price level. Structural progression continues upward, touching the trapezoid upper boundary at $6.0825. The cycle completes and the stored field is fully released. The expected return was 2.05% versus a realized return of 2.32%. The expected drawdown was negative 5.00% versus a realized drawdown of negative 1.84%. The expected trapezoid duration was 32 days versus a realized 36 days. The price path reaches full resolution. This is the first embedded structural layer. It represents the initial geometric encoding forming Fractal 1. The structural development expands into the next layer. Interaction occurs within the defined boundaries of Fractal 2. The observation transitions to the highest level temporal progression. The structure approaches the activation window within Fractal 3. Strict geometric alignment repeats across all documented fractal layers. The final completed structural field is verified. This structure was defined prior to completion. The recorded system date is May 13, 2026 at 00:10 EST. This is a structural record. The structural coordinates remained invariant, while the market path provided the variables. This concludes the current structural observation. This analysis is part of public model documentation. It does not constitute financial advice. Leverage above 10 is strictly prohibited. Do not invest essential personal funds. The